Hey, what's up guys, Somerville here, and I couldn't thank you guys enough for helping me reach over 500 subscribers on my channel. I am very grateful for the viewership and all the stuff. 24 inches, and the Acer is 21 inches. 2.1 speakers in red. You can check out my unboxing down in the description down below. Audio box USB. I run all of my voiceover recordings as well as my speakers through this little. So that's going to be about it, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. I haven't done a setup tour video since about 2015, so almost 3 years ago, and that's mainly because I wanted to wait until all of my main peripherals and accessories have been upgraded. So now that that's happened, let's get right into it. So just for reference, everything I mentioned in this video will be down in the description below for you to check out if you're interested. So first things first is my monitor. This is the BenQ EX3501R. It's a 35-inch curved 1440p ultra-wide display, and yeah, this thing is pretty freaking big. And since I'm now using an ultra-wide display, all of my videos will be shot and exported in true widescreen. So if you have an ultra-wide display like I do, when you're watching this on YouTube, you won't get the big old black bars on the side. You'll have a completely filled screen. But yeah, anyway, the design, the port selection, of course the size, all add up to make this a pretty awesome experience overall. It's got HDR compatibility. You can run it at 100 Hz for a super smooth look. It's just a lot you're getting for the price, quite honestly. And on top of here is an LED reading lamp from BenQ that I also like to use. Next are my keyboard and mouse, which are both from Logitech, or Logi as they like to be called now. My keyboard of choice is the Logitech Craft. It's a fully wireless, full-size keyboard that's backlit with a super awesome typing experience and a dial at the top corner that you can use for creative programs such as Lightroom and Photoshop. The mouse of choice here is the MX Master 2S in white. It's very ergonomic, the scroll wheel feels great to use, and I cannot live without that thumb rest button. Overall, a very expensive pair of peripherals, but honestly worth it. Next is my headphones of choice, which are the Beyerdynamic DT990 Special Edition headphones, which are sitting on a Satechi headphone stand, and I've got them powered by the JDS Labs Element DAC, which is a super sleek DAC that I've been using for the past couple of months now, and together this combo makes for a killer audio experience for both editing audio and video, as well as listening to music, of course. And speaking of audio, one of my newest additions to my setup are the Kanto U4 powered bookshelf speakers. I did a review on XDA if you want to check that out. I really dig the glossy black design, the Bluetooth functionality, and the included remote. Overall, a very solid pair of cans. And of course, when talking about audio, I have to mention this huge microphone on my desk. This is the Blue Yeti. I've been using it for almost 3 years now, and it's how you're hearing my voice right now. Over on the right here is my PS4 Slim. I really don't use it as much as I'd like to, but there was a really good Black Friday deal on it a year ago, and I couldn't really pass it up, to be honest. And I couldn't tell you the name of this lamp. It's just been around the house forever, so I grabbed it and threw it in my LifeX Z1000 bulb, and if you notice that glow on the back of the desk, that's coming from my LifeX Z LED strips. Over in the corner here is my Google Home Mini, and I absolutely love this thing, and powering my whole setup is my trusty Mac Mini. I still haven't felt the need to upgrade, and for video editing it still pretty much gets the job done. I wish it was better on the graphics side of things though, and I also have my 2014 15-inch Retina MacBook Pro just chilling on the side here, which is of course my main mobile workstation. And everything you see here is sitting on a Linmon table from IKEA, and then the PS4 is on a smaller Linmon from IKEA in white. But that's pretty much it for my setup. I'm pretty darn proud of how far we've come since the last video. Like I said, everything I've mentioned in this video, including the stuff that I didn't directly speak on, pretty much everything in this video will be linked in the description down below. And of course, they're going to be using my Amazon affiliate links, so if you buy anything using my links, that supports the channel, so that would be greatly appreciated. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and share it around with your friends if you enjoyed it and stuff like that. And subscribe for future content like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.